2000. You ready? Well, we just spent our last day, I guess, camping or being outdoors in the, the PNW area up in Western Washington. It's been nice. Some sun, some overcast, some rain. Jesus. Washboard road, but the fog and the mist is great. The weather's great. 50s to like 65 at the most.
Yeah, it's been nice.
Yeah, we got probably 2 more days here, but not camping, going to a friend's house because we have tire issues. So basically we found, I guess a couple days ago, Monday morning, I was feeding Ellie and I was looking at one of the rear tires and they're lower on tread. We were going to wait a couple more months till like fall was really hitting with rain, but they I didn't realize how many slices I had like in the tread, like between the tread blocks on the sidewalls, and we air down a ton and drive on air down a lot, so who knows how these tires really are. So we decided to then I found some nails in the actual edge of the tread, which I know is irreparable, at least if you take it in. Called to get new tires and we had to wait till Friday, and today's Thursday. So I plugged the holes and we just came out to a spot and chilled for a few days while waiting.
Yep.
And now we're heading back. So tomorrow we can get ready to do the tires, and I can't just take the truck in to do that because I have the Icon, what are they called? Icon bead locks. I forget what they're called. Interlocks?
Something like that. Sounds familiar.
Yeah, it's where the bolts go behind the front bead. So they're still one-piece wheel. We finally got our new drone, which the drone footage in this is from that.
Yep.
And yeah, we're ready to head east, head to Montana, or straight to Wyoming now.
Yeah.
Meeting DB Overland over there, and he's going to show us around the Bighorn area. So really excited for that.
Yeah, really excited to see Wyoming.
Yeah, I'm excited to go do more things and
go to a new state.
Yeah. Since if you don't it's the first time watching us, or if you don't know, we travel full time out of our truck.
Yep. And our 2 dogs.
Yep. It's always nerve-wracking having the whole truck up on stands on a sloped driveway. It's not very sloped, it just dips where I'm at a little bit. It's mainly flat there. But they got it all supported. Tires are coming off today. They said ours will be in today by like 3 o'clock. But I got to take it in to see if this tire and this left front one can be certed. They're from Discount, so I have certs on them. I had nails. You can see one of the plugs right here. A nail straight down here, which usually isn't repairable. It's too far over the edge of the tread. And had a couple up here, but one on the edge too. Yeah, right there. And you figured they might be irreparable, but they didn't have these in stock, so they ordered them. feel we'll see, because the way they talk on the phone when I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna bring mine in to see if they got to be certed first, they're like confused, but also probably like, well, you ordered tires but now you want to cert them. Who knows? I gotta do it though. Yeah, we're gonna pull these off, get the bolts out of the bead for the interlock part, and throw them up in Nate's truck. Also, Nate's truck's gonna be looking a little different. I'll show it to you in a little bit. Just finished pulling the last bolt. It's for the interlock. This section here goes behind the bead, so you can't lose the bead back. And it's still a one-piece wheel, and you still can't lose your tire unless obviously you shred it, because you're running without air pressure. But now we're gonna load these up and then head over to discount. No, just sitting and waiting. Totally forgot to film loading up the tires. Okay, there we go. But yeah, our tires weren't in yet. Like I think I said that, but they're coming in today.
Yeah, between 11 and
But
3.
luckily, they're like, oh yeah, we can't repair those two, so they'll be certed, and then they're gonna prorate the other 2 tires. So we're gonna save a little bit of money.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
Which is
Should
good.
be good.
I'll get all these done. Maybe 20. Oh, I didn't think about it. Yeah. Got a torque to 20 foot-pounds. All right. Got them all loaded up. This tonneau cover, where his GFC used to be, is blocking it. No more GFC on the white Ram. But now he can really use this stuff. Your tires are on. Heck yeah. I film any of it because
Yeah.
you just get going. I don't know. That's why I don't do how-tos or like working on stuff, because usually I forget to film the majority of it. Yeah, I just have brand new ones. Still way more money than it should have been, even though I only had to pay for 2.
Yeah.
But whatever.
It's
They're
right.
new. Now
Should
they'll
last
last at
us.
least a year and a half for us if we continue this amount of mileage we're doing.
Yeah.
But
I think the other one's for 2 years.
yeah, 2
So,
years. But
yeah.
put on a lot of miles in the last
Yeah.
9 months. All right, it's the next day. I really wanted to do a review on the tires. A lot of people ask about them. Also tell me what I'm supposed to run. But I don't want a review at the end of a video and name it review or any of that. No one's going to see it. So I think I'll make a separate review during this week that I'll post. Just a quick one, nothing crazy. Just what we experienced and how they've been and what they've done in every little scenario. So we'll look forward to that. This video is going to be over. It's kind of just having to deal with going and doing tires and doing all that. Yeah, we'll see you in the next one.